Hey everyone, today I'm here at our latest closing. This is 19 units located at 859 West 19th Street. We just closed this property for $5,025,000. We're really excited about the closing. The price per unit for this property was $264,000 a unit. There was, of 19 units, 18 were studio units and 1 two-bedroom unit. So what was really nice about this property and what made it unique, not only was the price per foot very attractive, but also there was an assumable loan with Chase that a buyer was able to assume that was fixed through August of 2026. The rate was only 3.3%. So the buyer going in was able to acquire this property at a going in 4 cap. So they were able to get positive leverage. Pretty much what we saw, any asset that has positive leverage loan assumptions taking place within the market are very sought after. And this property sold, we had multiple offers, and we're really excited to complete this transaction. All right, so this property was the first time it's been on the market in 40 years. And the previous seller had already done some upgrading to the property. The building's been entirely painted. They slurried the parking lot. They did some updating to some wood replacement where needed. When we went through all the units, they were pretty clean. So really the upside is just getting the rents to market. There's not a whole lot of work to be done on the property. All the windows were redone as well, all throughout the building. A lot of storage spaces, a laundry room in the back. Let's pop up the stairs here. As you can see, the property's pretty clean, so the buyer's not gonna have to do a whole lot of CapEx upgrading the property. It's already in really good shape. It's just getting the rents to market whenever there's a vacancy. So overall, talk about the deal story. The buyer came through our investor network. They were looking to acquire a multifamily property in Orange County for some time. This was the right fit. And then also the seller was referred to us through one of his contacts that we happened to have sold a building for. So everything came together. We were able to close it just before the end of the year for tax purposes for the buyer and seller. Everything worked out. The biggest hurdle we had to overcome, every transaction's got its own hurdles. This one was the electrical panels. The main and the interior electrical panels had to get completed and replaced prior to closing. So that was one thing that we had to make sure got done. We got it done in time and got it closed up. Let's go take a look at the back of the building. All right, and here's the back side of the property. We've got some additional parking spaces here, and you can see there's a nice secured gate. So this is a really good, clean property. As you can see the backside, it's all nicely painted. All the asphalt's completed. Overall, you got 20 parking spaces here. Most of these are gonna be the carports, but you also have 3 parking spaces in the rear. So a lot of good things going on with this property. Again, the positive leverage. You've got well-parked property, 1-to-1 parking ratio, and then additionally, $264,000 a unit for Costa Mesa. You're surrounded by comps that are substantially higher than that. So this buyer felt that he got a good going in basis. And the seller was still able to reach $560 a foot. They were able to reach very close to their asking price, and everybody's a happy seller and buyer. And overall, if you're looking to acquire a multifamily property, if you're looking to sell a multifamily property, we're here in the field doing transactions, and we're always here and happy to help. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.